Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a 1970 Chevy Camaro Z28. It does have the original motor, the L21 matching numbers. It is a black on black, got white stripes down the middle, and this thing is bad. I mean, quick, loud, fun to drive, just well taken care of. Here at Skyway, we really try to get the best quality cars, owned by the best, and sell to the best. Wow. Beautiful car. Show you the back seats real quick. Headliners. There's a couple things that we're finishing up on the car, like the radio. We're getting the radio digitized so that we can sync up to the Bluetooth. Got to put the straps, the seatbelt connectors back up, but just little touches. I'll go ahead and pop the trunk here in a minute. I left the keys in the ignition because I'm going to do a startup real quick. Let's go ahead and jump up here into the driver's seat and check out the cluster. Nice. Everything looks great. Beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and start it up real quick. Very nice. We'll go ahead, check the trunk real quick. Pop her open. Got the liner in there. Everything's looking very clean. Very well taken car of all around. I mean, just beautiful. Let's go ahead and start her up, listen to her purr, then we'll take her for a ride. How's it going, Al?
Hey Mark, this is the real McCoy here. This is a 1970, 54,333 actual mile Z28 with the LT motor in it. This is a hard, solid lifter cam motor. It gives you that little bit of the valve noise, but this is the real thing. Customers owned it since brand new, which we can show and prove, but just a nice paint job. The only thing that's not original on it, Mark, right now is the hood, but the customer does have the original hood that came with the car.
Okay.
And we sent the radio out, which we'll have it back next week. We had it all digitalized. You know, they take the old radios and make them modern so people can have Bluetooth and different things, so he gave the okay for that.
Oh, perfect.
But look at the headliner in this car, the seats, the interior, the dashboard. I mean, it's just all like new. The guy just kept it as his little baby. And it's got a little bit of power too. This was back in the day, this was the car to have up on the street, boy. Woo! That's something I thought that was a cop there. I'll get back on it. It's just as solid as the days long. Mark, I was underneath this car, I was so impressed. I mean, it's just like it stood in time. Boy, would I have done anything. I was only 10 years old when this car came out, and I ended up having, when I was a younger boy in high school in the 70s, a 79 Z28. But the guys that had these back in the day, you know, were the guys you wanted to be like. Here I am, man, driving one now and offering it up for sale 40 years later.
Yeah.
What a cream puff.
Really?
Can't say enough about it. Can't say enough about its originality. It's just it's the real deal.
Well, I sure do like driving in it.
All right, we'll get up on the hoist. You can show everybody what it looks like underneath there. And thank you for taking a ride. Hey, everybody, we really appreciate you checking out Skyway Classics videos.
Thank you, Al.
You're welcome.
All right, we got her here up on the lift. Let's take a look underneath, see how clean and pristine she is. Wonderful underbody here. Very well done. Let me jump to the back real fast. Not much to say. The video kind of speaks for itself. Just great condition. If you have any questions, concerns, give us a call, shoot us an email. We'd love to talk more, have you down here, take the car for a spin. Follow us on Facebook, on YouTube. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.